In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to allow your camera to access WhatsApp Web on a PC. Whether you're using Google Chrome, Brave, Microsoft Edge, or Mozilla Firefox, we'll walk through each browser step by step, ensuring you have clear video chats right from your web browser. So let's get started. First, if you're on Google Chrome or Brave browser, begin by navigating to the WhatsApp website. Once you're there, take a look at the top of your browser. You'll notice a lock icon in the address bar. Go ahead and click on that icon. This will open a small menu. Here, you will need to click on Site Settings. This action will take you to a page full of permissions specific to WhatsApp Web. You'll want to scroll down until you find the camera option. Next to it, you will see a drop-down menu. Click it and choose Allow to grant permission for the camera. Once you've done that, it's important to refresh the page to ensure the new settings take effect and enjoy seamless video calls. Moving on to Microsoft Edge, the process is slightly different, but just as straightforward. Similarly, start by opening WhatsApp Web, look for that same lock icon in the address bar and click on it. After that, you'll be presented with a few different choices. Select permissions for this site. From here, you will be able to see various permissions that can be set, locate the camera option and set it to allow. Don't forget to reload the WhatsApp web page to apply these changes. Now, for those of you who prefer Mozilla Firefox, begin by making sure you're at the right website, WhatsApp Web in this case. Exactly like the other browsers, find the lock icon in the address bar and give it a click. Then choose Connection Secure and click More Information. Doing this will open up a window with several tabs. Click on the Permissions tab, which is located at the top. Scroll through the list until you find the option labelled Use Camera. There should be a checkbox or a drop-down menu that allows you to select Allow, and there you have it. By following these steps, you can grant WhatsApp Web permission to access your camera on any of these popular browsers and connect with friends and family with ease. Remember to ensure that your camera is properly connected to your computer and functioning correctly before starting your video call. If you encounter any problems, double check these settings to ensure they've been applied correctly. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. If you found this video useful, feel free to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.